Hi everyone. So in this video session, I'm just going to solve one question that was asked in GATE 2024 in GATE Data Science and AI paper. Okay, that was conducted for the first time by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Right. So many students have been asking to me, sir, can you share this question solution? Okay, because they're not finding any optimized solution where they can find themselves confident, solving this. Okay, so this question was very good question, and this kind of question already has been asked in your gate examination in other branch of engineering, let's say electronics and communication, right? So this question can be done in very less time, okay, if you have common sense as well as the intuition, if you're going to apply, okay. And whatever common sense and intuition you have to translate them into a linear equation. That's it. Okay, if you know how to solve the linear system of, or you can say linear equation, simple linear equation of involving single variable, then you can solve this question, right? So let us read the question. This is the random experiment. They have given a fair six-sided die with a face numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a standard die, is repeatedly thrown independently. Okay, so they have mentioned that you are throwing a dice independently. So many times you are throwing a dice. Okay, so the probabilities can be multiplied if they are independent. Like probability of getting 1, probability of getting 2 is independent. So you can just multiply them, right? Now the question is, what is the expected number of times the die is thrown? Okay, you have to find the expectation or the average number of times you have to throw the die. Okay, until two consecutive throws of even numbers are seen, right? So you have to get the even number in two consecutive throws. So suppose you are throwing a dice, you got one even number here. Even number can be 2, 4, 6. Uh, Again you are throwing a die and you got the even number here, right? Okay, so it is not possible, right? If you throw a die, okay, and immediately you get the even number, you can get any number, right? And you don't know that when you're going to get the second even number, right? So in between two even numbers, okay, you might get odd numbers as well, right? So if you're getting odd numbers, it means you're wasting your what? You're wasting your throws, okay? You're wasting your throws. So what you can say here is that you can understand this is our goal to achieve, okay? This is the reality. This is the goal that we have to achieve. We have to throw the dice consecutively so that we can get two even numbers, okay, in consecutive throws, E and E, right? But practically, since it is random, okay, like when we will throw the die, we might get odd also. So if we are getting odd in the first throw, right, it means that we are wasting our throw, okay. Again we will have to throw the die so that we can get the even number, right? So what you can do here is you can consider that the expected number of times the die is thrown, okay, bx, you can say, okay. Let the expected number of times the die is thrown be x until two consecutive throws of even numbers are seen, okay. So this is the goal that we have to achieve, okay. Remember, this is the goal that we have to achieve, okay. So probability of getting even number is nothing but what? That is nothing but 1 by 2, that everybody knows, okay. From the concept of classical probability we can find out, okay, because the outcomes are equally likely, okay, and we can get. So in the event there are three elements, 2, 4, 6, and in the sample space there are 6, so 3 by 6 is half. So probability of getting even number is half. But since we have considered that number of times we have to throw the die is x, right? So what we can do here is we can take this as x, right? So x we have to compute, right? So x is going to be computed, right? So x is going to be the expected number of times we have to throw the die. Suppose you have thrown the dice, okay, but you haven't got the even number, right? So your goal is not achieved, okay. You will have to again, you will have to again throw the die, right? Okay, again you have to do the same task, like you have to throw the die x number of times. But this waste of the you can say throws, this is the throws that you are going to waste, right? So what is the probability of getting odd number? That is nothing but 1 by 2. But since you haven't achieved the goal, so what you will do here is, again you are going to throw the die x number of times. Understand? But one throws has already been wasted, right? So you have to add 1 here plus. This is the case 1 that you can see. Understand? This is the first thought process. Okay, suppose you are throwing a die, you haven't got even number, right? So what you will do, you got odd number. What you can get? Odd number now. So what is the probability of getting odd number? Probability of getting odd number is half. And now how many times you have to again throw the dice? That is nothing but x plus 1. Why x plus 1? 1 is nothing but the base of throw. You have wasted the throw when you got the odd number, right? That is the first case. Plus, suppose you are throwing a die and you got even numbers. First, you have thrown the dice, okay, or die, and you got the first even number, right? And again you are throwing the die, you got odd number, right? But your goal is what? Your goal is to get the even number in 2 consecutive throws. Again you have wasted what? 2 2 times what? 2 number of times you have wasted, right? Okay, understand? So what is the probability of getting you can say that even or odd consecutively? That is nothing but 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4. So here it is going to be 1 by 4, and again you have to throw the dice x number of times. But how many you can say throws you have wasted? Again you wasted 2 in order to achieve the goal, you can say. So this one is nothing but waste of the throws. Okay, understand? Plus, suppose you have achieved the goal. Achieving the goal means first you got the event, second you got the event. So the probability is going to be 1 by 2, and how many times you have thrown the dice? That is nothing but 2 times. This is the goal that you have achieved. Okay, remember, this is nothing but a goal. Okay, see, certainly if you want to achieve a goal, remember you have to start from trial and error, right? So this question can be done by trial and error like this. Okay, so certainly you face a lot of challenges to achieve the goal. Okay, so here we are equating x, right? So both the side you might see here, average is only there, right? Expected number of times the die is thrown, okay, until the even number is seen in 2 consecutive throws. Now you have to solve this equation. That's it. So how to solve this equation? Solving equation is nothing but you can multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So the LCM is gonna be 4. So this is gonna be 2x plus 2 plus, this is x plus 2 plus this is going to be 2 only. So you can cross multiply here. So 4x is going to be 2x plus x, that is nothing but 3x plus 6. Okay, now x is gonna be 6. So answer is going to be 6 only, guys. So what is the answer for this question? Answer is going to be 6. So I think you might have understood that in one line you can solve this question. Okay, so if you know how to achieve a goal in your life, you can do this. Okay, so I hope you might have enjoyed this solution. Okay, so you can share among everyone. You have to just translate your thought process into one single equation. This is the equation, okay? And whatever comments I have given to you, okay, like x plus 1. So what is x plus 1 here? 1 is nothing but the waste of throws, you can say. You have wasted 1 throw here. You have wasted 2 throws here. So I'm just going to mention that also. 1 throws waste, 2 throws waste, and in this you're not wasting any throw, you have achieved the goal. Okay, You can solve this question also by setting up, by using Markov chain concept. Okay, you can decide the states. Okay, state 0, state 1, state 2, because there will be 3 states. In 3 states, you are going to achieve the goal. But if you are not familiar with Markov chain, okay, then you can reach out to me. I will be giving you more techniques to solve this question. But please watch this video again and again to understand this process, okay, in solving this question in one line. Okay, needless to write any sort of statement to waste your time. Okay, I hope you might have enjoyed this solution. Thank you so much.